Angelina Jolie currently has primary custody of the children she shares with Brad Pitt, but it seems like their living arrangement might soon change. The former couple has 6 children together, and since their bitter split, the kids have been living with Angelina in Los Angeles. While Angelina has primary physical custody, Brad has visitation rights, which were granted during their lengthy divorce battle. However, there's news that their daughter Shiloh is planning to move in with her dad at his mansion in Los Feliz, California. According to a source, Shiloh is hoping to make the move when she turns 18 next month. This potential change in living arrangements comes after Brad recently responded to Angelina's claim that he tried to silence her with a non-disclosure agreement, NDA. The Sun reported that a source said, Shiloh is hoping to move in with her dad when she turns 18 next month. We have reached out to representatives for both Brad and Angelina for comment on this matter. It's important to note that this news follows Angelina's recent court filing, where she claimed that Brad was abusive towards her before the alleged 2016 plane incident that led to their divorce. As part of their ongoing legal dispute over the ownership of their winery, Chateau Miraval, Jolie's legal team filed a motion to release communications that they believe would prove Pitt's unwillingness to allow her to sell her share of the winery to him unless she signed a more onerous NDA. The court documents also allege that Pitt has a history of physical abuse towards Jolie and that the 2016 plane trip marked the first time he turned his physical abuse towards the children as well. In response to Jolie's claims, Brad has vehemently denied all allegations of abuse. In the latest lawsuit, Jolie's legal team has asked Pitt to explain why he backed out of their implied agreement for him to buy her stake in the winery. Jolie's attorney claims that the answer lies in sealed documents that she submitted in their custody dispute. According to the court documents, Jolie filed the evidence under seal to prevent public access. However, Pitt allegedly feared that the information could eventually become public and demanded that Jolie sign an NDA to ensure her silence. In his own complaint, Brad stated that during their divorce, Angelina's team proposed an even broader, mutual non-disparagement clause. He also argued that the NDA was meant to protect the reputation of the Miraval brand. Brad now wants the judge to compel Angelina to provide previous NDAs they signed to demonstrate that his was not as severe as those. A source close to Brad commented on Jolie's lawsuit, saying, "This is a pattern of behavior. Whenever there is a decision that goes against the other side, they consistently choose to introduce irrelevant information as a distraction." It's worth noting that despite the custody battle, a judge granted Brad 50-50 custody after a lengthy trial that involved the entire history of their relationship. In summary, there are reports that Shiloh Jolie-Pitt might be moving in with her dad, Brad Pitt, at his mansion in Los Feliz, California. This potential change in living arrangements comes amidst Angelina Jolie's recent court filing, where she claimed abuse and a dispute over the ownership of their winery. As the custody battle continues, it remains to be seen how this situation will unfold.